I'm Scott Peasley, this is Wild Generation, and today we're making snow snacks. Snow snacks. Why does it sound so weird? I'm Scott Peasley, this is Wild Generation, and today we're making snow snacks.
You can make your own snow snacks, but be careful not to make it too cold. If it's too cold, you might get a brain freeze.
Step 1, find snow that isn't gross. Don't use the yellow or brown stuff. You did it. As it says in the name, to make a snow cone, all you need is snow, Kool-Aid mix, and water. You can pick from a variety of Kool-Aid flavors. Then simply mix a small amount of water with the Kool-Aid and stir into the snow. You want to add a little bit at a time. Keep mixing until all of the snow has turned the appropriate color. If you want your snow cone to be bigger, just repeat this process a couple times. All snow is a different consistency, so I'm not going to give you an exact recipe for these. Simply judge based on consistency and flavor. For snow ice cream, all you need is sweetened condensed milk, vanilla ice cream, and snow. Take our snow, add some sweetened condensed milk to it. Go ahead and stir that. To make mint chocolate chip ice cream, simply add mint extract instead of vanilla extract and add chocolate chips. If you want the ice cream to turn green, simply add green food coloring. To make strawberry ice cream, cut the strawberries into small pieces, then add the strawberries and sweetened condensed milk. Stir until the strawberry juice from the cut up strawberries turns the ice cream pink. Spicy honey candy is another great treat. Add a small amount of cayenne pepper to warm honey. You can also choose to add vanilla extract or sea salt. Pour the honey into the snow and then allow it to cool for a few minutes. Then roll it up on a spoon or tongue depressor. The snow we were using was light and fluffy. This process would work better on compressed snow. You can do the same thing with maple syrup. Warm the maple syrup, then pour it out, preferably onto compressed snow. Allow it to cool for a moment, then roll it up. And now for our taste tester.
It's good, but it's a little bit sour. Very cold, but I like it. It tastes like honey. I think it's made from honey.
You know how you can make this even better? Give them a hairdo.
What is that?
That is some not so hot fudge.
Ah. Do you like it? I hope you like it. I like the vanilla. It's a little bit sour.
That was good. Try the mint chocolate.
I try the fudge.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to The Wild Generation for more fun ways to get outdoors, have fun, and have some good family time.